Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website mobile-friendly. First, navigate to your Wix editor. Look for the mobile icon at the top of your screen to switch to the mobile view. This dedicated editor allows you to adjust your site's appearance specifically for smartphones and tablets. We will cover essential steps to ensure your visitors have a seamless experience, regardless of the device they are using. This is crucial for reaching a wider audience and improving engagement. Once in the mobile editor, begin by using the Optimize Now button. This feature provides a good starting point by automatically arranging your content. Next, you can manually drag and drop elements to refine their positioning. Pay close attention to text blocks, images, and buttons. For elements not suitable for mobile, simply select them and choose the Hide option. This ensures a clean, uncluttered view for your mobile visitors. For optimal readability, adjust your font sizes to be at least 16 pixels for body text. Ensure sufficient line spacing, typically 1.5 times the font size, to prevent text from appearing cramped. Always compress your images to reduce file size, which significantly improves loading times on mobile networks. Arrange your content in a clear, single-column layout. This makes vertical scrolling intuitive and keeps your design consistent across various screen dimensions. Before making your changes live, thoroughly preview your site using the built-in mobile simulator. Test it on at least 3 different virtual device sizes to catch any layout issues. Verify that all your links, buttons, and forms are fully functional and easy to tap. Once you are satisfied with the mobile experience, click the Publish button. Your newly optimized, mobile-friendly Wix website will then be live for all your visitors to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.